In this video, we are going to talk about the measuring tools in the ArcGIS map program. On that right-hand side, scroll down and click the button that says measurement, and you will see three icons. The first one is you press when you want to measure distance, and the second one allows you to measure area, and then the third one clears your mapping area, your workspace. And so I'm going to first measure with the distance tool, and I'm going to click once to activate it, and then to deactivate, you double click quickly. In the pop-up, you will see the distance traveled from Salt Lake City to Chicago for this example, and it is in miles. Although if you press the drop down, you can change your unit of measure. If you wanted to measure the distance between multiple cities, it's very simple. Click your starting point, click once on that second site, and then when you reach your final destination, double click. When you want to measure the area of a space, clear everything, click that second icon, and you'll notice when you start clicking for the area that the line looks different. And then as soon as you start working on that third point, you can see a polygon displayed with that inner part shaded, and that inner part is the area that's being measured. When you are done, double click. And again, that shaded region is the area that's being measured. And then the solid line around is your perimeter, and that's also being recorded in the pop-up. And that's how you measure using the ArcGIS measuring tools.